In this video, I will share RSI divergence strategy, and everybody knows RSI divergence, and I will share tips and tricks and how you can gain profit like this in a month. This is 20 trades in a month period, and you can get almost $350 profit. So you guys know I try my best in this channel to bring a valuable content and valuable strategies, and I am also a day trader, and I am not someone who didn't have any experience in crypto trading. I have more than 2 years of trading experience in this field. So I will try my best to bring the most profitable strategies, and I will also suggest you to join my Telegram group. And so let's start our strategy. First of all, we need a time frame, and for this strategy I chose 1 hour because 1 hour time frame is a critical and good time frame. I personally have done a lot of trading in it, and for this divergence indicator I use Taurus. This one RSI Divergence Taurus, and let appear it on chart. Let it appear. And first of all, for this indicator I will tell you it is a reliable. I find it most reliable and good RSI divergence indicator. So, and secondly, because I have tested other RSI divergence tools also. So now you can see this indicator is giving us 4 divergence signals. I am not random picking any trade to for the purpose of the strategy video making. I do it in some videos. I admit it, but I want to be transparent with you guys. So sometimes 1 or 2 trades, sometime in some videos I do that. Now look, for trading we will choose to this is my own rule. Okay, I use personally in my trading that you will use percentage as a trading for winning or losing. So you will use 2%. We will see if we can get a 2% gain or not. So we're not using any 1 to 1.5:1 ratio. Okay, I hope you understand. This is my own technique, and it will be very helpful to you. So stop loss will be 1.3%, and you can see this is also a losing trade we have. So 1 profit and 1 loss. So now I will tell you how we will eliminate those wrong signals. First of all, let me check another signal. This should be a winning trade, 2%. Okay, stop loss 1.5. No, this is a losing trade. So why it is going to be losing? So I will tell you how you can convert this into a winning trade. So first of all, you see we have indicator prints or divergence, and I open trade after 1 or 2 candles because there is a delay. So first of all, you will draw a trend line, and we will use trend line. This is a very old and effective method, and for entering in a trade, entering in a setup. Okay, so you can see here is a point which couldn't achieve, which is resistance towards upward. So if this is broken, you can see when this is broken, if we open our trade after this, and you can see we can go up to 4%, guys. Up to 4%, it's up to you, but for our strategy video we have a rule of 2%, so we will stick to that. So now let's see for any sell indicator or sell signal. Okay, no. Okay, let me show you a beautiful sell trade. This is a very beautiful trade. So we will go with the replay function, so you can see in a real-time scenario what will happen. So you see here it is a divergence. Oh no, there is no appearance of divergence yet. So let me forward it again. Oh, Oh no. Okay. Let me forward it again so we can see the divergence. Here you can see that is I am talking about. There is almost a 2 candle delay in printing of divergence. You can see we have opened our trade. We will use 2% for our profit and 1.5% for our, so this is also a losing trade. 1.5% was stop loss. So why we got a losing trade? So if we opened our trend line, we will not be in a lose because this trend line is never crossed. That is sport in case of sell signal. So you see we have another divergence signal here, and now we will trade this with trend line. Okay, so if you see there is 2 candles and there are 3 candles, green candles, with good volume, and we will try to make a trend line. So you can use 2 green candles or you can use 3. So let me show you. If we open a trade after this is broken, it is broken already. So even if we take trade from here, when this one is broken significantly, you can I we have seen that. So this is a beautiful winning trade, as we already seen that before replay. So you can see this is a win trade. So it's a must to use trend line to eliminate any faulty signal. Now you see that I have taken a lot of trade. Now after I will show you result. This is of 1 month trading result, and there you can see a lot of circles. So these are circles are the trades we don't want, that are losing trades. So in other words, these are the trades I taken as a short in case of it is 200 EMA, and we don't want to take any long in 200 when candles are up. And similarly, we don't want to take long when the candle is below 200 EMA. So and now I will show you results. So you can see there is our result, and this result is without any trend line. Remember this. But it is also a very beautiful result. You can see you have a granted gain in your trade, in your account, and 13% profit. This profit is without any leverage. If you take leverage, 13% multiply by 20%, 50%, whatever you'll take leverage. So although loss will also increase with that case, but in the end you can achieve that $350 in a month with a $500 account. So and I hope you understand today's video, and this and I remember the optimization tip that I told you, that use the 200 EMA, and use the trend lines to avoid any getting into a wrong trade. Although the results I posted was without any trend line or 200 EMA. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.